you see that bell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start with the Algenist face oil. Rub that all in my skin. Then I'm gonna take the old Henrickson banana eye cream under my eyes. Then the old Henrickson moisturizer. Rub that all in my face as well. Next, I'm going to take my favorite foundation, which is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC47 with my Morphe sponge. And then I'm just going to dab this all over my face and blend it in. The key is to blend out your foundation as best as you can. I go into my neck as well because I have a little bit discoloration. So that just makes me feel comfortable. I'm adding a little bit more product to my chin area. As well as on the eyes. Then I'm going to take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the color Golden and just highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, around my nose, above my lip, and my chin. Next is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Tan Latte, just to give it a little bit more brightness for a more dramatic look. I'm going to take my sponge again and just blend that in. And what I love about this sponge is it has a sharp edge on one side so that you can really get all the way under the eye and as close to the nose as possible when blending. Then I take just the excess product into the hollows of my cheeks just to form my contour. I'm going to take the black opal foundation stick, which I depotted, and I'm just going to go into the hollows of my cheek to darken my contour. I love this cream. I'm just going to shape the bridges of my nose, not too much, as well as my jawline, and then blend in with this e.l.f. brush. And make sure you just blend everything out because you don't want any sharp lines. Then I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder with that sponge. And I'm just going to set under my eyes. And then everywhere I put my concealer, my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, as well as my chin and above my lip. Then I'm going to take it into the hollows of my cheek just to define my contour. Then I'll take a brush, and I don't like to bake for too long. I'm just going to wipe that off of my chin, above my lip, my eyes, and the contour area. I'm going to leave the under eye because while I'm doing my eyeshadow, I would like no fallout. So this will prevent that. I'm going to take the NYX Professional Bronzer in Deep Tan and just set my contour. Next I'm going to take the Superbloom palette from IBY Beauty in the colors Painted Lady and Canyon in my crease. And blend that out really well. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop Rendezvous palette and I'm going to add this copper shade, and it's a shimmery shade to add on top of that color just to give it a little pop. Then I added a little bit of gold on the top just to make it a little brighter. Then I'm going to take the MAC Ebony eyeliner pencil and just go inside my waterline. Then I'm going to take the Buxom mascara, and this is an intense volume lash mascara, on the top and the bottom of my lashes, just before applying my falsies. I'm going to go back into that IBY palette with a light shade of orange called CA Poppy in the corners. Then I'm going to take that dark Cannon shade and go underneath. Next is the 24/7 liquid eyeliner by Beauty For Real. I'm just going to go in on top of my eye. Not going to wing it out. I'm not a wing girl. Just to give my eye some definition. Then I'm going to take this Morphe brush and go into one of my favorite blushes, Cannaboy by The Balm Cosmetics. And this is a pink shade, not too pink. I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to take that Morphe brush and wipe away that loose setting powder that we had sitting. Now that our eyes are done, then I'm going to take the Ofra highlighter in Moondance, and I'm going to highlight the hollows of my cheeks, as well as the bridge of my nose. I like to take my finger and blend it in, then my chin, above my lip, and my forehead. Then I'll take that Morphe sponge that we used earlier and just pat that in, just so it looks natural. Next is the MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil, and I'm just lining my lips. I moisturized them previously. Then I'm going to take the MAC Peachstock lipstick, and this is a cream finish. I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to take, after I added gloss, the Eyeliner Thalia lashes. This is one of my favorite dramatic lashes. Just adds a little flare to the eye. And I'm using the MAC eyelash applicator, which is similar to a tweezer, but it has that nice curve and it's not sharp, so it allows you to apply them amazingly. Then I'm going to go back into my mascara and just apply that to blend the lash into my lashes. There you go.